These are two job offers, both from 2020, both given to engineering graduates from the same college. Offer A, Infotech, rupees 7 lakh CTC. Offer B, unknown startup, 5 lakh CTC plus equity. Offer A looked better on paper. Higher salary, bigger brand name, parents were proud. Offer B seemed risky, lower pay, no name company. Parents were worried. 5 years later, the person who took offer A is earning 12 lakh per year and feeling kinda stuck. But the person who took offer B, their equity alone is now worth rupees 2.3 crores, they're earning 45 lakh annually, and they just got a job from Google. That's a 50 lakh difference in just 5 years from one decision. We spent 3 months tracking down these two people and 50 others like them to figure out exactly what creates this massive gap. And what we discovered will change how you think about your first job forever. By the end of the video, I'm going to show you an exactly 3-question framework that predicts whether your job will make you rich or keep you stuck. At Beer Biceps Skill House are also giving away 10 career analysis sessions personalized to your situation. But you need to watch till the end to get the framework right. So let's get going. The compound interest analogy. Before we dive into stories, let me show you something that will blow your mind. Imagine two people. Both have 1 lakh to invest. Person A puts it into a fixed deposit at 6% interest. Safe, predictable, parents approve. Person B puts it into a mutual fund at 15% interest. Riskier, but it has higher potential. Let's fast forward 5 years. Person A has 1.34 lakh, so they've gained about 34,000. Person B has 2.01 lakh. They've gained 1.01 lakh. And that's a 3x difference in the gains from the same starting point. But here's where it gets crazy. After 10 years, person A is at 1.79 lakh, which is a gain of 79k. Person B has 4.05 lakh rupees. That's a gain of 3.05 lakh. Now this is going to keep compounding. After 20 years, person B is going to have 10x more returns than person A. Why all this finance talk in a career video? Because your first job works exactly like this. It's not just about the starting salary. It's about the growth rate, the compounding effect, the long-term trajectory. Choose the wrong first job and you lose rupees 50 lakh over 5 years. Choose the right one and you're set for life. The difference? 3 questions. But first, let me introduce you to someone whose story will shock you. Story number 1, the Infotech trap. Meet Rohan, a 2020 graduate from a Tier 2 engineering college in Pune. He got placed in tech at rupees 7 lakh CTC during the campus placements. His parents were ecstatic. अरे वाह, बड़ी कंपनी मिली है, stable job है, अच्छा package है. Rohan was the star of his family, the first person to get into a top IT company. According to data from AmbitionBox and Glassdoor, Infotech hired over 35,000 freshers in 2020 alone. The average CTC was about 6.5 lakh. After 5 years, the average salary for those same people is now about 10 lakh. That is just a 69% growth in 5 years.
So the first year was very exciting. Training, learning new things, new environment. But by year 2, I realized I was doing the same work every day. Testing code, following processes, attending meetings. I wasn't learning anything new. I saw my seniors who had been there for 5 to 7 years. They were still doing similar work, just managing teams now. I thought, is this what my career will look like? I tried to switch, but every interview I went to, they asked me about my skills. And honestly, beyond just basic coding and testing, there wasn't much to show. I was stuck.
Here's the brutal truth from a LinkedIn study published in 2024. Employees who start their career at very large corporations like tech, they have 10,000 plus employees. They have a 27% lower salary growth over 10 years as compared to the ones who start smaller but in high growth rate companies. Rohan is now actively trying to upskill, take online courses on weekends, and desperately trying to catch up. He's 5 years into his career and he's starting from scratch. But it doesn't have to be this way for you. Let's talk about story 2, the startup multiplier. Meet Priya. Same 2020 batch, same engineering background, similar grades. Priya got 2 offers. Yes, at 6.8 lakh and a Series A startup called Pay at rupees 5 lakh plus a 0.01% equity. Her parents panicked. ये Laser Pay क्या है? कभी सुना नहीं इसके बारे में. PS ले लो, अपना करियर रिस्क पे मत डालो. But Priya still took Laser Pay. And here's why. Fast forward to 2025, Pay is valued at over 7 billion.
I did my research. I spoke to 10 people who worked at startups and 10 who worked at big IT companies. The startup folks were excited and learning new things, building actual products. The IT people seemed tired. I asked myself, where will I learn more? Where will I grow faster? Money was important, but not everything. The difference wasn't just money. I was solving real problems from day one. In big company, I would have been following processes. Here, I was creating processes. That's the difference.
And remember, Priya had equity, so the 0.01%, which seemed nothing in 2020, it's now worth approximately rupees 2.3 crores on paper. Her salary has grown to 45 lakh and she is not staying at LaserPay. She's getting offers at Google, Microsoft, and both offering over 60 lakh packages. Why? Because in 5 years at Pay, she built features used by millions of users, led a team of 8 people by year 3, learned product management, user psychology, system design, and most importantly, leadership. Has a portfolio of real impact, not just years of experience. According to a study by Indian Angel Network, the early employees, which is the first 50 to 100 people at startups that reach unicorn status, see an average wealth creation of rupees 1.5 to 8 crores through equity alone. But here's what nobody tells you. It's not just startups versus big companies. It's about asking the right questions before you choose any job. Coming to the 3-question framework. After analyzing multiple career trajectories, we at Skillhouse have found 3 questions that predict your career outcome with scary accuracy. Are you ready? Question number 1. Will I own the outcome or just execute tasks? There's a difference between saying, I built a feature that increased revenue by 20% versus I completed all the 47 tickets assigned to me. Let's take a real example. At Flipkart, junior product managers, they own entire features end to end. At some IT service companies, developers are given such tiny tasks with no visibility and it doesn't even matter in the bigger picture. A Harvard Business School study found that employees who have outcome ownerships in their first job, they earn 42% more by year 5 than those who just execute tasks like ticking off the to-do list. Question number 2. Am I working with people who have at least 3x the experience and skills in me? Here's something nobody talks about. Your growth rate is directly proportional to the talent density around you. PayPal's early team is legendary. Elon Musk, Peter Thiel, Reid Hoffman, Max Levchin, they all worked together, and that's what they call the PayPal Mafia. Those early employees, they became billionaires, not just because of equity, but because they learned from exceptional people around them. In India, look at Flipkart's early team. They've now founded or led companies like PhonePe, CureFit, Udaan, and dozens of successful startups. Question number 3. Is this role building skills that compound or skills that will expire? Some skills become more valuable over time. Others become obsolete. Let's talk about the first type: strategic thinking, product sense, understanding user psychology, storytelling, system design. McKinsey published a study in 2024 showing that 62% of technical skills learned in 2020 are already outdated or less valuable by 2025, especially due to AI and automation. But on the other hand, skills like product thinking, user research, and strategic communication, they've only become more valuable. Now let's put the framework in action. Bad first job, you execute tasks assigned by others, everyone around you is a level or below, like you're the smartest person in the room, and you're learning tools and processes that will be outdated in like 2 to 3 years. Whereas a good first job, you own outcomes and you see direct impact. You're surrounded by people who challenge you and who push you. You're building timeless skills that compound forever. The salary difference in year 1 may be 1 or 2 lakh, but the difference in year 5, easily 30 to 50 lakh. I wanted to validate this framework with someone who's actually hired hundreds of people and seen these patterns. Manish sir, our co-founder at BeerBiceps, has hired people across multiple companies. Let's see what he has to say about the same. Does the first job really matter? Will it actually shape someone's career?
You know, sometimes people who work and have 8 to 10 years of experience would be in a same salary bracket or a salary package, which will be equal to a very young 3-4 years of experience product person, technology person. The only difference is that the guys who are working, in small startups and working on products directly fail a lot of times and learn a lot.
And of course, we asked him what is his advice for someone choosing their first job.
See that the job that you're going to take up 5 years down the line, if you have to tell a story about what you did for 2 to 3 years, are you able to visualize that kind of a position? Are you able to visualize that kind of a job role? If yes, should accept it. One more thing that one should do is try to find out who couple of years ago was in your position and have accepted that kind of jobs, and see if you can talk to them, reach them out on LinkedIn, write an email, request for a call, and there are kind people. They do reply and they will help you.
Here's the uncomfortable and harsh truth that nobody will tell you. A NASSCOM report from 2024 found that 73% Indian engineering graduates are not employable for skilled roles. But here's what they don't mention. Many of those unemployable graduates are actually working in IT service companies doing the same basic tasks that don't build real skills. The job market now has changed. According to LinkedIn's 2025 jobs report, companies are now prioritizing demonstrable skills and proven impact over so many years of experience and such a big company. What you've actually built matters more than where you worked or how much you earned in the first year. Let me break down what choosing wrong, that is the riskier job, will actually cost you. Let's give you the action plan. If you're a student or fresh graduate watching this, here's exactly what you need to do. Before accepting any job offer, use this 3-question framework. Look at this 3-question framework. Did you answer all of these? If the answer to all these 3 is yes, take it. Even if the salary is 2 or 3 lakh lower. If the answer to all of it is no, don't take it. Even if the salary is 5 lakh higher. We're offering 10 free career analysis sessions this month. In 30 minutes, we will analyze your current situation and the offers you're considering. We'll help you apply this 3-question framework to your specific case, and we'll show you exactly what skills you need to build to give you a clear action plan. The link to join is in the description. Comment framework below and mention your biggest career confusion. The first 10 people get the free session. And in case you don't land this session, just comment framework below in the comments and we'll help you out. 5 years from now, you'll either thank yourself or regret it. The choice is yours, but make it with your eyes and ears open. Subscribe if this changed how you think about your career. Like if you want more such videos, and share this with anyone who's making their first job decision right now. I'm Mahima and you're watching BeerBiceps Skill House. We'll see you in the next one.